Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Bybit account. For that, make sure you get the application. This platform supports margin trading, allowing for amplified potential profits and may offer stacking options for earning interest on certain assets. You can see the option sign up/login. You need to tap on that. Now you will be led to this kind of page. Now at the top you can see sign up option. If you haven't created your account, you need to tap on that in order to create your Bybit account. Now here you can either enter your email address, your phone number, or either you can sign up using your Google or your Apple account. Now for this video we will go for email. Now in case if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on forgot password option and they will be guiding you further to recover it. If not, you can tap on login now. Now this kind of puzzle box will pop up. All you need to do is slide to complete the puzzle. And now you can see that you are logged into your Bybit account. If you want to verify your account, there you can see verify now option at the top. You can tap on that and this is how you can log into your Bybit account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.